Let me tell you about the first time I was diagnosed with cancer. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Brittany Christiansen and I have been diagnosed with cancer 4 times. Now, the first time I was diagnosed with cancer was back in July of 2024. How I found it was I wasn't in very much pain, but I had a sharp little pointy thing